Hello, welcome on board. My name is Anna and I will guide you through some basics about using our application. The first thing you see after log-in is a dashboard with the basic statistics about your project, generated during the selected time period. Here you can choose the period you are interested in and change it anytime you want. The numbers will change depending on the dates. As you probably know, the most important thing you have to do before you start using all functionalities is integrating your website with PushPushGo. If you haven't done it yet, you will see a red message informing you about that. You can choose between two types of integration: simple manual integration and manual integration with your own domain. The general difference between them is that in the case of manual integration with your own domain, you need to have HTTPS, and the simple manual integration is available for any website. Simple manual integration is very easy to implement, but only with manual integration your subscribers could subscribe with one click and our domain won't be shown in the notifications. The link to the integration step-by-step tutorial you can find in the video description. The following green message will inform you if the integration has been done properly. The next step is creating the sign-up form for your visitors. If you chose manual integration, it is possible to choose a single opt-in form, but it works only with the default subscription form. It takes only one click to subscribe and you can collect subscribers even 10 times faster than in case of other subscription forms, but you can't change the content of the pop-up. If you want to customize your subscription form, here you have a number of various options to do it. After your visitor clicks to allow, the browser will display another default form to double confirm the subscription. Thanks to the preview window, you can see how it will look like in different devices before you enable it. When it's ready, you can collect your subscribers. The information about your subscribers is in the Subscribers tab. Here you can see the description of every user without any personal data. These default tags are added automatically, but you can add them manually too. You can also have more tags based on your user's behavior, for example by unique URLs they browse or buttons they click. What is important, the geolocation here can be exact if the subscriber allows to share it, or only approximate, based on the location of the internet provider. All of it is 100% GDPR friendly. The stats about the number of subscribers and unsubscribers you can find in Analytics. Remember that the app is able to count the number of unsubscribers only at the time of sending a campaign. When you have a sufficient subscriber base, you can send your first campaigns. Let's start with sending a manual push campaign, which is super easy to create. Just fill the fields with a catchy text and upload an image. Don't forget about the redirect link. As you can see, the app adds default UTMs to the link, which can be changed for every campaign. This small image will be visible in notifications displayed by every type of browser, but you can also use a big image that will be displayed only for Chrome users. The great option is adding push action buttons which can redirect users to different subpages. We recommend using require interaction every time you don't want your subscribers to miss the notification. If you don't mark it, the message disappears after a few seconds. If you do, it will wait until the user clicks on it or close it. The whole content is visible on the preview window on the right side. Once you fill it all, you can send it to yourself to see how it will look like. The next step is targeting, and here you just choose the users you want to receive or don't receive the web push message. You can include tags, exclude tags, or just skip it and send the campaign to all subscribers. In the third step, you decide whether you want to send your campaign right away, plan it for later, or schedule with time zones if you send it to different countries. Every option enables you to set the notification expire date. By default, notification expires after 3 days. In the summary, we check if anything is missing, and you will see some suggestions we recommend to consider. That's it. Just click and send it. All campaigns you've sent and planned are in the Campaigns tab. Here you can sort them, filter them, find the one you are looking for. You can also check the results of every single campaign. PushPushGo enables you also creating automated campaigns. In the Automation tab, you can set many very different scenarios that will run in the background. For example, the scenario which is meant to increase the return rate on the website works like this. It's been 21 days since the subscriber visited your website for the last time. After that time, our app checks if he really meets the absence condition, and if he does, he receives the web push notification encouraging him to visit the site again. Every icon of the little bell means that is the notification. You can change the content depending on your needs. It looks exactly like in the manual campaign. Save the changes, enable the scenario, and save it again. Voila, it's already working. That was a simple scenario, but they can be also very advanced, like this one that saves abandoned carts. Advanced scenarios are created by our dedicated account manager according to the prepared strategy. You can find a detailed guide on how to use the application on our website. If you have any questions, contact us via email, support@pushpushgo.com.